Are you looking to do some renovations before selling? Thinking of doing it yourself? Here are 8 common DIY projects you may want to hire a professional for. Number 1 is the roof. Having a professional roofing can be expensive, but so can serious roofing screw-ups. Troublesome, damaging leaks are common in DIY roofing jobs. Unless you're experienced, you should never consider doing your roof yourself. Always hire a pro. Number 2 is the deck. If built poorly, a deck could collapse, and really, that's a health hazard. Pros know how to properly evaluate the land you like to build on and how the deck should properly be done and save you a ton of headaches. Number 3 is converting an indoor-outdoor space. If you want to convert your space into a functional extra room on your own, be cautious. Converting space takes a ton of work, typically, and often leads to spaces that look sloppy and amateur because they often don't get completed and lack functionality. Number 4 is installing hardwood in carpet. Flooring is one of the first things a buyer sees when they come into your house. You need to be handy and do your research, adequate research, if you try to do carpeting yourself. Otherwise, leave it to a pro. Number 5 is painting your rooms. This one can be completely fine if you've had a bit of experience. Many of us paint our rooms now, and we don't have any negative effects. That being said, if you don't know what you're doing, an ugly, poorly executed paint job can do your home a disservice and really repel buyers. Number 6 is a kitchen renovation. Buyers absolutely love a good kitchen renovation, which is great for sellers. Installing your own cabinets or appliances can be costly though if errors are made. If things don't align properly or poorly cut or damaged during installation, you could really turn off a lot of buyers. Number 7 is adding a bathroom. This DIY reno can be dangerous, risky costing structural damage to your home. Issues with plumbing are noticed very quickly by home inspectors, and if poorly installed, they may flag the issue, which could become a condition and an offer you may need to fix. Number 8 is adding tile. Tile can look incredibly sleek when done right. When buyers see misaligned tile, they can't help but assume the homeowner cheaped out and didn't invest the proper amount of money to do the job. It takes skill to make the tile look its best and perfectly aligned. If you're an experienced, handy kind of person, open to spending lots of time and researching, watching tutorials, speaking with professionals, then maybe you could handle some of these DIY projects. If not, it's probably best to leave these projects to a professional, hands of a skilled professional, because you know what? It's more expensive to do it twice. This is Sean Ryan with Blue Coast Realty and EXP. Remember to put Sean on your lawn and welcome home to the Blue Coast.